Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Postscript to Shopify for cart recovery text step by step clearly. To connect Postscript to Shopify for cart recovery texts, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Apps section on the left menu. In the Apps section, search for Postscript. Click on the Postscript app and select Install. Follow the prompts to authorize the installation of Postscript with your Shopify store. Once installed, open the Postscript app within Shopify. You will be guided through the setup process. Connect your phone number and verify it through the provided link. Next, configure your SMS settings according to your preferences. Set up your campaign settings to include cart recovery texts. Look for options to customize your messages for cart recovery. After customization, save your settings. Enable the cart recovery feature by toggling it on. Test the feature by adding items to your cart and abandon it. Check your SMS inbox to confirm you received the cart recovery text. Finally, review analytics in the Postscript dashboard to track your recovery success. That's it. Your Postscript connection to Shopify for cart recovery texts is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.